So we're at the first car show of the season. We had to arrive early because of, just to make sure that we get a good enough space because of what King has on the back of it. So I'll show you guys that later when I do a full view of the car. But we're at Parking Lot chillin', and there's trophies we won, so we'll see if we win any, and I'll also show all the other cars. But currently there are puddles everywhere. So yay, we didn't bring my car because of the factor that we didn't put the SRT muffler on yet or any of the lights, so it's very extremely stock currently. So at least when I bring it out, I want at least something a little modded on it first before I do. But yeah, we're extremely early. It doesn't start until 5. We showed up at least almost an hour early. So now to just wait until all the other cars arrive. We have 3 from Mash Out that has arrived currently, and people are already walking around checking out the cars. I cannot wait until have some taste of the smoked barbecue again. Haven't had it since last season, and I love their pulled pork fries. They're to die for. But I'm pretty excited. But all week we've had this beautiful weather, and it's been in like 75, gorgeous out, sunny, and today is in the 50s, windy, chilly. So yeah, you can never predict the weather when it comes to car shows, but we're so excited because Mr. has done so much work on the car currently, and the start of the no makeup season for car shows at least. I really don't like to wear makeup when it comes to them because one, you wake up at like 7 a.m. for half of them, and I'm not waking up earlier to put makeup on. No. So skincare routine, that's the big one. So yeah, we'll see how many people show up for the first season, but that's a damper. Kind of just want to like put a floaty on it and make it look like a little serene like area for people to like a pool. But yeah, already a car is like trying to turn to a parking spot. Was like, yeah, no thank you, I don't want to go there. There's trophies at the opening and closing of every show, and this is the opening for 2026. They are absolutely gorgeous. So, and there's a ton of them to go around also.
Guys, what's up? This is Tito, your boy, Parking Lot Chillin', season opener, out here having a good time at Taste the Smoke, good barbecue food. We're doing the trophy giveaway because we're also raffling off a Colt ball signed by Jason Hansen and a sweet lowrider bike. Come on through, have a good time, and let's do this, everybody. If you're not in Parking Lot Chillin', baby, you just ain't living life. Woo-hoo!
Bit now, and this place is absolutely busy and filling up. Kind of sucks with the water spots. It's getting to the point where trying to find a spot is getting quite hard. We have such a large row right now for just our car club, and then we're handing out, ooh, if I can get the flyer for my purse, we're handing out flyers because we actually have a show May 16th at Ford's Garage, and trying to explain to people like what this is kind of hard because we're doing a for like NAMI, it's cold for NAMI, so it's a charity event also. Then on top of it, there's gonna be a helicopter landing, trophies handed out to all the cars, and then if you look, I also, beyond this grave, vendors is gonna be there, and then we have J King Customs and Anger Management. So I will actually be setting up a large list of vendors. So it's gonna be vendors, Ford Garage's food, helicopter landing, trophies being handed out, charity event. Like, it's so much all in one. So trying to explain to people like what it is so hard, because it's like there's also this and this and this, and there goes Mr. looking at cars. So and I gotta get on it to get more vendors. So far we only have 5 set up for Michigan, but I'm super excited. And then we also have this special guest, Eric the car guy, and people are already like, oh, we know who that YouTuber is. So this is a really good start of the year. I am so excited, and I want to get my car out here so bad. But then I would probably just be next to my car just talking about her the whole time versus YouTubing and walking around. Also, puppies!
56262.
Come on. Yay!
We got it win. Yes, sir. You got it, man. That's why it's called.
Do it, Timmy.
That's why it's called Parking Lot Chillin' Trophy Giveaway. Because I used the young community with autism to pick out the cars that they like and put a trophy on the car.
Right,
so if
Jimmy.
you're the lucky one, you might get a trophy.
Yeah!
Jimmy's the man. Timmy, start grabbing them. Right.
Excuse me.
It's floaty because it's so heavy. It wouldn't be heartbroken. I wouldn't be heartbroken. Yeah! Oh yeah! Thank you, buddy.
They just passed out all of the trophies, almost all of them. They're still passing them out. But, of course, Mr. King got one of the trophies. So, I'm super excited to start working on mine. But another one to add to our collection. So hell yeah, and what a good first day to the season and our first car show of the season. He's been to like a Cars and Coffees beforehand, but this was an actual car show. So first car show of the season at Parking Lot Chillin in Wayne County. Hell yeah. Currently, Tito is finishing up the rest of the trophies currently.
Last of the mount, the last of the trophies. Great turnout. This is amazing, guys.
How many do you have in total? Like 50?
I have 50 trophies. Yeah.
Sheesh, and you're having trouble right now trying to pass them all out at this point. Like, whoo! But
we're doing it though. We get it done.
4 more to go, and then they're all passed out.
The last 4, we're all passed out. Parking Lot Chillin. Great season opener, guys.
Let's go. Up now at the event, all the trophies are passed out. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so officially every single person in the car club had gotten a trophy. Just looking now. And everybody is currently checking out King's car right now, from the front to the back. But I would say this was an amazing opener, like absolutely phenomenal. And I'm gonna be so jam-packed for car shows and also working on my car. So I'm super excited. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. There's gonna be a ton of different stuff when it comes to like car shows and events. So make sure to come and check it out, because we have a lot just alone too with the car club. A lot.